In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Buddhism Through Its Scriptures course on Harvard's official online learning platform and how you can earn a Harvard-certified credential after completing it. If you're interested in Buddhism, religious studies, philosophy, or simply want to learn from world-class Harvard faculty, this course is an excellent option. The best part is that the enrollment process is very straightforward, even if you've never taken an online university course before. I'll walk you through every step so you can enroll with confidence and know exactly what to expect. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software and education guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard online website. You can do this by typing in harvardonline.harvard.edu/course in your address bar. This is Harvard University's official platform for online courses, so you're in the right place. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses along with a search bar. Go ahead and click on the search option, and then type in Buddhism Through Its Scriptures. As you type, the course should appear in the results. Click directly on the course title to open the full course page. On this page, you'll see detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn, who the instructors are, how long the course runs, and the format of the lessons. Take a moment to scroll through and review the syllabus so you understand what topics are covered, such as Buddhist texts, historical context, and interpretations. Once you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the course page. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. At this stage, you'll be asked to either sign in with an existing account or create a new one. Fill in your personal details carefully, including your name and email address, as this information will later appear on your certificate. After entering your details, you'll be guided to the payment section. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment securely. Once the payment is processed successfully, you'll gain full access to the course materials. You can now start the course at your own pace, watch the lectures, complete the readings, and participate in any required assignments or assessments. Make sure you complete all the required modules and coursework. After you successfully finish the course, you'll receive a Harvard-certified credential confirming your completion of Buddhism Through Its Scriptures. This certificate can be a great addition to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the Buddhism Through Its Scriptures course on Harvard Online and how to earn a Harvard certification by completing it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.